Okay, how una day? How everybody be? Welcome on top the party show for today, the first day of December 2015. Welcome everybody, and with the wishing a happy new month. This month, like I talked yesterday, gonna be a month of cheering and opening doors. This month is gonna be a month of good things to happen. Correct celebration. Bad things not gonna see you. Correct things not gonna see you. Favor from the north, the south, the east, and the west. And I'm going to be your portion for this particular month. So everything will remain. When no great happen for the past 11 months, this final month, it will happen for you finally. As long as now better thing. And as long as you day inside the will and the plan and the purpose we did not carry on for this earth country. So we say welcome to everybody on top of the party show, and one more time, happy new month to everybody. How are they? For those of now, we see us right now, how everybody take be. For those of now, we don't go or come back. Those of now, we just go. How everybody take day. How our night take be. How hustle take be for today. Hope everything go kajadly. Any which way, we did here to make sure everybody did very okay. My one not day here, and I'm not going to announce him again simply because she go day absent for a while. And we just leave her like that. She get, she's not a married woman, so married woman got to take care of married business legally now. Every way right now na legal. Nah, everything they opudential now. No more corner runs. No more back of bus things, no more back of motor things. No, it's legal. Realistic. By the time my wife come back now, she go don't swell up. Because I know say, oh, Jaga, she go don't take things. Any which way, the show don't start. Your boy Ogbolode here, and go run the whole parole. They go steadily. Now see the party show. Most of this funny video, by the time we come back from this one, I go announce for us to enter for Yarn the Yarn. All right? So make we see this video just to make your mind sweet you. I no agree for that file own. That second video, sorry. I no agree for that one. I no agree. That one, they play the thing somewhere. That one just they do it. Until maybe they put corn on top of the thing. But this first one, hey, I don't forget the name of this animal again. So this one now, clean house. Skunk. Can't they clap for himself and say, oh, I try. This horse now, forget. They rub something for that place where they leak. They rub something for that place. Not being the player. I don't agree. Or let's say happen for my eye like this. Say we as Nigerians would like to see evidence to prove it. But for that first one, I believe that they train all these animals there to come and do some kind of things. Very soon, maybe they're not going to employ human beings again. They employ animals. This one, where human beings don't marry animals these days. Anything is possible. So human beings, go and find your own talents if you happy for this world now, because as soon as possible, animal, computer, go to carry all the work finish. Just in case you don't know. All right. So right now, make we go for Yarn the Yarn. By the time we come back, we can give you all the gist that we do on board. All right. So give me Yarn the Yarn now. All right, Burna Boy. Burna Boy and the Yarn now. For some time now, don't they see different hits from Burna Boy, and different people they ask him questions. Say, come guy, would they look your Twitter followership? Plenty reach some of your contemporaries own. They look for Instagram. We know say they're so active and wanting, waiting they happen. And when it comes to awards too, would they hardly see your name for nomination and different things. Hey, Burna Boy say, brethren, he leave all the part where they talk, leave all the big boy where they talk. He say, make una come hear me. He say, make I tell now, for this industry, the powers that be, they don't like them. So now politics they inside entertainment industry. And now only those ones then when they go they play the game of politics, now they fit get awards, now they fit do some kind of things. He say wetin concern him as a person wey him be, as artist wey him be, na to dey dish out good music. And he know say him fans no go ever fall in hand. They go always love the kind of music wey they always carry come out. So if they don't see him they collect award, may no vex so say make they no worry. But in work we say he go continue to dish out very good music to make everybody dey okay with the all where they watch and we being fans. And aside that one, he say the game of politics for the industry, he not fit play the game. He say make they do, he not fit play the game. See as he just be like this now, him okay where in the he own work. Continue to bring out good music when they feel the jam inside club, when they feel the jam for inside party. But say, come play politics because I want find favor for the industry. He say, I not do. He say, no go mention name. But many people, they want to celebrate today. So, now the politics where they play for the entertainment industry, now carry their reach for where they do. So, say, but him, never. Say, but into trust in fans them. Say, they go did there for him. Every time he launch new music, come outside. But the politics for the industry, he say, in hand not there. It no one belong. So any which way, Burna Boy, keep the do your thing, continue to do it. We know the industry, we know. But at the same time, keep doing good music, and they will not say your fans, which somehow I will happen to be amongst of it. You know, we are here. The more good music we the launch come out, the more we go there to they enjoy every. All right. So Yan the Yan part 2. My second story now. Dede Mabiaku. Anybody we know Dede, and one of the judges for one of these talent show. Aside that one, Dede now one serious follower of Fela and Anikulapo Kuti. But then they don't come out that they ask us some questions some days back. Say they come. As it be like this, now how far with you and every your journey so far and many things. So then they come talk to him, man, as the Afrobeat singer we be. Say it not easy for him that year. He say in Papa now big man for their village that year, and then they say now be the Yashere of Warri that year. Now be say now be next to the king. So anybody from that kind of royal family, anybody from that kind of family we carry correct name or we carry correct position, not supposed to do anyhow. And that period they look Fela as the terrible one. So now this big man Pikin one can go to follow the terrible one. As how now? So Pale say my son not even try him. Not even try him. Say you won't go the follow Fela Anikulapo Kuti, the terrible one. No try him. They even can try to do different things. Say they will send them abroad, go doing masters, may go study some kind of things for abroad, so that they'll just come out in eye for Afrobeat music. But forget, person head with the hot. They talk saying a lie. Me, I died there. Nothing. But as it be, even that same period when we decide to also follow Fela, in fiancé that year, they don't come marry last, be not carry belle for him for like 5 months. Finally, say when she even born the pikin, they don't still let they make you see the pikin. Why? Because of all this one, say him follow Afrobeat music, legend. It will be Fela Anikulapo Kuti. But as it be, he said those are the things that we him go through just to become who him be today as the Afrobeat musician we be today, where they celebrate for the full country. See, those are the things he go. Say at a point, Papa Konkuko abandon him, Konkuko disown him. He say, as he be say you want follow Afrobeat, as he be say you want follow Fela. Follow the Fela. Me, I not be Papa again. Say, nothing pain and pass that, you know. He say, the girl we born for himself, they don't even let him see the pikin. He not pain and rich, say, in Papa disown him because of Afrobeat music. But he say, well, today see me. Say, they celebrate him for the full country, and in they do well for himself. He say, no fish out. You know, but those are some of the things that we in go through as the person we in be today. Somehow that year, I know some of that people that will be follow Fela, and the Afrobeat legend that year, we not too pure for. Somehow, all of them, they only disown them. You know, parents just look say, you want to go follow who? Not by picking again. But last, many of them still turn out very good for the country. They happen to be one of them. But any which way, what the picking will do last, he go still do. Forget the kind, and these days, you know, the parents don't even argue on these days. Parents they find that picking may go play football. You they sing, they sing. Not be your mate be whiskey. Go sing better song. Help their children the correct lyrics and everything. Yeah. Whiskey say they and every. You know, so things are changing. Their own time not different from our own time now. Anyway, all All right, so that's a gist from Burna Boy and Dede Mabiaku on top of their journey so far inside the music industry. All right, so quickly, make I go for this break just to go drink water small. By the time I come back from the break, then we will continue on top yarn the yarn. All right, so not go anywhere. We is coming back right about now. Po! All right, Una, welcome back from that particular commercial break. And still the Paddy show with your boy Ogballs, baby, you know, my wine absentia. But all join on top of Wazobia TV. Now we just did so. All right, so just before now, I tell you about Burna Boy, you know, and talk about how politics did inside the industry, and that's the reason why never they get some kind of things so far. After that one, I can talk about Dede Mabiaku and everything we don't go through, how they disown them as speaking because of Afrobeat music, and at the same time also how they no agree are making scene Pekin from his fiancée after she born for her. And so those are the things that we had often talk about just now. But now, I want to carry and go further small. Still again, another, in fact, this one concerning three different Nigerian artists. Wandeko, Wizkid, and Davido. Wandeko is Wandeko. All of them get their own, wait a minute. Wandeko, una, it's Wandeko. Wizkid, una, yeah. Davido say, it's Davido. Oh, I bad. Oh, I they bust. Not joke with me. So when the corner don't come as I can't talk, say many people don't. Before now, though, Wizkid and Davido, they get some kind of beef. You know, they get some kind of beef, some kind yarnings for back. See, two of them don't like themselves. Two of them they fight with themselves. Two of them they do competition with themselves and different things. So now they can't ask one they call. We don't cuckoo date themselves since they come. One day, how far now for this Wizkid and Davido matter? What if you say they happen? When they say, come on. Now, normal thing for industry, say people must clash. Now, normal things for industry, say people must do competition. Especially when una kind music want resemble themselves, you know, and una come young. Somehow, you know, una go one clash along the line. They say, but it not reach, say, they can't carry and reach as it be like this now. So when they don't talk say, but for the two of them shall say in love their music, but one out of two of them now close to run past, and another one now personally, not be say for anything, but just because they don't date together for longer. The person we in love pass and in love in music more now Wizkid, and simply because him and Wizkid somehow don't get the same waka. You understand? Davido, he said Davido in love Davido music. Davido they do his own thing for his own side. Say no got any issue with Davido. But if you talk of closeness, in the closer and love, you get more love for Wizkid. Say well, but people just got to understand. Say somehow for the industry, the earlier you realize say competition day, and not be everybody really like you like that, and then your success self, you go shakara some people. Your success self go worry some people. Even if they succeed on their own, or they succeed, but too often one kind. No matter how I take shake hand, no matter how I take do not say brother. Somehow una still dey in competition. It everywhere. For comedy, na the same thing. Yeah. No matter how they do, oh boy, you funny die. Everybody now still competition with all of us they do. All right. So make a run go for that break sharply. By the time I come back from this break, I'll give you the final gist with it on hand. All right. So don't go anywhere. I'll come back now.
But then you tilt. But what the score is, if you go back, then just forward, then start to bleed.
What you know Sabi do, not go do. Not go do. Because people, for that particular this thing, people don't peel head though. Those are when they get injury from this thing, then they show them. We not they see them. Now the one with this thing they sweet, with they slide, they glide, they do everything. It's alright, but I must get one very soon. In fact, for my Christmas gift, anybody way to love me, send that to me as Christmas gift. And you all love you. You all they love you finish. Okay. Kobe Bryant, LA Lakers basketball player. Kobe don't try. For those of now be lovers of basketball like myself, I not be really football person. You know, except Nigeria they play before I go watch. But say one club they play one thing, it not concern me. Their money they vest me. I don't get beef for all those footballers. I mean, they all stay their own lane because their own money, they be like, make I no use my mouth talker. But it invest me. Me, wait till happen for this soccer. Anyway, that by the side. But Kobe Bryant, we lovers of basketball know Kobe Bryant, you know, don't deal with Lakers for a very long time. And as he be now, he say, man, time don't reach where him go finally come on hand. Now, Kobe Bryant be that. Time don't reach where he go finally come on hand for inside basketball. Say he won't retire now. And that's be so, in the Kuku talk say, he can write letter, you know, letter to basketball. And he can talk say, dear basketball, from the moment I started rolling my dad's tube socks and shooting imaginary game-winning shots, I fell in love with you. He also talks say this season this season is all I have left to give. My heart can take the pounding, my mind can handle the grind, but my body knows it's time to say goodbye, and that is okay. I'm ready to let you go. Yeah? Kobe Bryant at 37 years old and he don't play since. He say, man, as he be like this, he go always be that killed with the rolled up socks and the garbage can in the corner. But now, I don't love these guys them. You know, get how you want to do them. You know, they know when to just come on hand for the whole thing. Eh? They just know when to just say, we are retired. I'm retiring. You know, based on say, with what he talk for that letter when he write to basketball, he say, come on. He say, as he be like this, in heart still there. You know, everything still there. But in body don't they talk, say, man, guy, you're not too casual, you're not too strong like before when you're younger. So now it's time to. And these guys in Bono, they get other businesses by the corner. Not just they say because they shoot ball, no. Or they play basketball, no. They got that business, other runs. So after basketball, business still continues. You know, that side, everything you arrange. No things just there on board. Everything just there. You know, if you plan your life. Nigeria. I love this country, eh? If you just wake up, things will happen. Bah! Yeah, how it happen? You know if you confirm. You know if you talk, that's so it happen. But well, we are unique in our own way. I will not if you argue that's the best country in the world as far as I'm concerned. You know, but Kobe Bryant, we go miss you for basketball. You and your shots, your shoots, your 3-pointers and and one of those men that way, you know, get how they will take come up for basketball, where basketball people know feel them. So correct, congratulations to you, Kobe Bryant. We wish you the best after this particular one. But you never see finish 2015-2016 season, I mean final season. So by next year, you come on hand finish on top basketball. All right. So anyway, Juan Nicole, Wizkid, Davido, me na end na beef ASAP. In fact, once you na do song together, with the challenge to do something together. All right. And any moment from now, make we see whether una go comply to everything we would expect from una. All right, so that now all the gist we'll get to give you now, you know, on top yarn the yarn. Right about now, we'll carry waka enter, you know, laugh the laugh. But anybody will get extra thing to talk, you know, based on all the gist we'll not carry give now. From Burna Boy, we talk say politics inside the industry. How you think about time? If you say actually politics there for the industry, I be now Burna Boy they just the form saying just too proud. And you also want to inside the whole thing, say because based on him pride, nobody recognize him and all that. Or actually, waiting they talk now, see politics really inside the industry. How you feel about them? Let us know on top Twitter. Even his gist about Dede Mabiaku, we talk say, you know, you feel say parents, children supposed to go against what their parents they talk just to fulfill their own dream. You know, how you feel about them? Let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy. Let us know your own feeling on top the whole level at Wazobia Paddy. All right. So now we'll go for Yan Zayan. Laugh the laugh, just to make you laugh for us and make your body calm down before we come out inside the whole show for today. All right, laugh the laugh now.
Same thing. No. No! Ah! Hey! Oh! He bailed!
nutrition, hot and fresh.
Okay. I beg. Now laugh the laugh we call am, no be danger the danger. So please, you know say Jeff, now one of the person way before now they always give us some kind of dangerous videos, and he go call and laugh the laugh. He go shock you what they make people they laugh sometimes. Sometimes now people pain, now they make some people they laugh. Sometimes now people knocking head for wall, and they do some kind. The one we just watch just now. Somehow, now painful thing for those people there, but it make us laugh, you know, in a one kind wicked way. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now here we come on top of the Party Show for today. And please, join us on top social media. Facebook, Wazobia Paddy. On top Twitter, at Wazobia Paddy. Okay? Follow me on top Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo. At Ogbolo on top Instagram. And of course, at Mayowa Ekpo. Ekpo na EKPO. At Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram and on top Twitter. All right, then Wazobia TV NG on top all social media platforms at Wazobia TV NG. All right, so with these few points of our own, we hope say somehow don't make your day go better. We hope say somehow don't put small smile on top of your face. God bless you. Stay put. Love yourself. Love your neighbor, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.